Hello, and welcome to the Windows 10 tutorial. In this video, you will learn about how to create a new folder in a 4 different way. Come on in, take a look. First, navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. Then, right-click on the black space. Once you have right-clicked, go to the New option and select Folder. Then, Windows will automatically create the folder with default name New Folder. Now, enter the name you want in this folder. If you want to create subfolders within the main folder, then go to the ribbon menu at the top. Then select Home tab and click on the New Folder. Once you click New Folder, you will see the new folder in your screen. Now, there is a shortcut way to create a new folder in Windows. All you have to do is press Ctrl, Shift, and N keys from the keyboard. Then, you will see the new folder on the screen. Now, another way to create a new folder is through a command prompt. First, navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. Go to Address bar, just below the ribbon menu. Delete all, and type CMD. Once you type CMD, then hit Enter. After that, Windows automatically opens a command prompt with the current location. Now, all you have to do is type MD space and your folder name. Once you have typed name of your folder, then press Enter. Then, type Exit to close the command prompt, then press Enter. Now, you will see the folder you created. In this way, you can create a new folder on Windows 10 computer. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.